Gagawa ka ng pelikula. Ngayon, finally, Christmas Day pa. So, mukhang it's gonna be a busy December for you, Chard.
Yes, it's definitely going to be a busy December for me. But I wanted this. I wanted to do a film right after Incognito, and perfect timing talaga yung Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Parang everything aligned this project for me. It's the comeback of Shake, Rattle, and Roll at Manila Film Festival. It's the resurgence of Regal, and I'm so happy to be part of it. It's an honor for me to be part of the Regal family and for the comeback of Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Speaking of Regal family, a couple of months ago, he signed up a multi-picture contract with Regal Entertainment. Isa na po ito sa project na yun, and we will be doing more projects with Regal Entertainment. Right, Chard?
Yes, very exciting times ahead for the movie industry. Talagang, you know, parang we have an advocacy now, yung mga ibang artists, producers, and everyone to get people back to the cinemas, diba? To fill up the cinema seats again. And yun yung gusto namin talagang hopefully magawa this Christmas season.
Talagang vision ng mga producers ngayon, no? Na ibalik ang public sa panood ng pelikula. Okay. Chard, kasi ganito, alam ko naman, hindi naman picky, I don't know what the word to say, pero namimili ka na talaga ng gagawin ng projects, both in television and the movies. It took series of para mga 3 meetings with the producers bago ka umoo sa material. Chard, are you ganun ka na ba, ando na ba ang path mo na talagang collaborative ka, kaya involved ka sa creative, parang gano'n?
Yeah, I think right now I'm in a point in my career where I want to do good projects, and projects na talagang kumbaga malaki sa puso ko, or and siguro my experience in TV and movies, I can give some inputs creatively. So I'm very happy that the producers and si Keith and Mr. Cell, parang, you know, they welcome all my ideas, and they're very collaborative, and I'm very thankful na to be working with them.
Nakakatuwa lang, if I may just share, di ko alam kung papayagan ako. Keith Monteverde, the Executive Vice President of Regal, is halos kaedad ni Chard, bata pa sila. Diba? You grew up...
Yes, gumawa kami ng pelikula dati ni Angel Locsin sa San Francisco. And we lived in Mr. Cell's house.
Wow!
In San Francisco that time. And yung kwarto na kung saan ako nagstay, yung kwarto ni Keith. So, nakita ko yung mga pictures ito, yung mga school projects niya, mga ganyan. So, kumbaga, halos sabay kaming lumaki ni Keith. So, it's good to welcome him dito sa movie industry, and now he's gonna take over Regal. And I'm just so excited and so happy for Regal and for Keith and Mr. Cell. You know, I'm honored to be part of their resurgence.
Hands-on nung dalawa.
Yes, sobrang hands-on nila. Sobrang hands-on and sobrang passionate. Yeah.
That every single detail ng production, talagang alam nila with eyes closed, alam nila nagaganap sa proyekto. Okay, siyempre excited na rin ako marinig ang mga questions mo. The first set of questions, Chard, will come from the entertainment and lifestyle editor of Manila Times. Hindi niya alam ito ko na siya. Please welcome the stylish editor ng Manila Times, Ms. Tessa Mauricio Ariola.
Hi.
Chard, congratulations on, well, it's not just the return of Shake, Rattle, and Roll to the MMFF, but also ikaw rin. When was the last time, do you remember the last time you had a film in the...
The last time I was part of the Metro Manila Film Festival was 2018, I think, with Vice Ganda. Yeah.
It's been quite a while.
It's been a while. And, you know, I'm happy to be back, to be part of it. And, you know, it's going to be a busy Christmas. Minsan kasi pag Metro Manila Film Festival, minsan talagang ibang mga artista na burn out pagdating ng Christmas season. Pero, you know, it's always fun. It's fun to go to the cinemas, makita yung mga audience natin na sinusuportahan yung pelikula ng Pilipino. So, I'm so excited for this Christmas, for this Metro Manila Film Festival.
Siyempre, people have come to really look up to you as one of our action stars. Few na lang yan eh. Action star ka na talaga yan because of Incognito. But of course, this is horror, and people might want to see still, the action that Richard Gutierrez brings to the screen. Meron pa rin bang maraming action scenes coming from you despite this being a horror movie?
Yes, this is a horror film, and I haven't done a horror film in a while. And, very exciting to kasi may flavor of action siya. Kasi it's a story about survival. Survival against all odds. And, andun yung horror, andun yung jump scares, pero we added a touch of action to this, and makikita yung audience natin. Pero it's different, totally different action from Incognito and Ironheart. This is not so tactical. We try to do it more of raw action and more on surviving than tactical action.
How does it feel to be at this point in your career? Naaalala ko nung lahat tayo, much younger pa, sa MMFF, maliit ka pa, twins pa, kasama mo pa ang twin mo, you'd see you at Christmas in the movies. And many years later, you're still in the business and still, doing, your part in bringing joy to the Filipinos. How does it feel na gano'n na yung career mo?
Yeah, it's good to be part of the movie industry until now. Gaya ng sabi mo, nung mga bata pa lang kami, we were part of the movie industry now, which was about 10-15 years ago. Yeah, it's good. I'm happy where I am right now in my career. I'm happy with my life, and but I'm also still hungry for more projects to give more to the industry, give more to our audience. Kasi I always believe that we can elevate. We can elevate the movie industry, we can elevate the TV game, especially now. With all the entertainment apps, and Netflix is there, Amazon, everything is there. So it's quite a challenging time now to create good films and to bring people back to the cinemas. And that's going to be my advocacy moving forward. I'm going to do TV and I'm going to do films, and hopefully we can bring back the audience sa pelikula, sa sinihan. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chad, sorry, before I give the microphone to the entertainment editor of Manila Bulletin, to Bobby. Aware ka sa ibang episodes. Alam mo yung panggagalingan. Your episode being the biggest, the most star-studded. Aware ka from one episode of pangatlo. Alam mo yung tahe?
Yes, alam ko yung tahe ng kwento, more or less, but I haven't seen the final edit of episode 1 and 2. But I'm aware of the storyline and where it goes and everything. Yung cast lang, kasi ang daming cast so minsan na-confuse ako, especially with all the makeup and prosthetics and everything. But yeah, I'm aware of episode 1 and 2, and I know that it's going to be a star-studded film.
Nakakatuwa lang, mariremind naman ng tao na Richard, na he's back doing films again. And we should remember he was one of the money makers during, ng mga Regal, GMA films before. And now we're happy that mag-cater naman siya sa pampamilya with the kids, nakakatuwa, that is part of the project. Before I give the microphone again to Bobby, I'd like to acknowledge the reason why we have sobrang sarap na lechon. Tita Annabelle Rama. Where's Tita Annabelle? Oh, she's somewhere there. Tita Annabelle, thank you ha.
Thank you for the lechon, ma.
I know. Not one.
Hindi occasion
not
na
two.
lechon.
3 lechon.
Oh.
That's how Tita Annabelle loves the press. And okay, let me give the
May pang take home pa yung iba na lechon mamaya.
Nakakito ako sa perfect sa akin yung lechon. Thank you, Tita. Okay, this is naman, I'll give the microphone na to Tito Bobby Recantina.
Magandang hapon. Sarap ng lechon at ito. So Richard, it's a horror film. But in real life, are you a big fan of horror movies?
Yes, I'm a big fan of horror films actually. Especially now, yung mga horror na ginagawa abroad, even the Asian horrors, I've seen most of it. And yes, I'm a big fan of horror films. I've done a few horror films and, I've always wanted to do it again. I've always wanted to do another horror. And perfect timing talaga na Shake, Rattle, and Roll is back. And nagtugma-tugma lang lahat. And, it's a project na I couldn't say no to.
Pwede ka na for Kai and Zion to invite them to watch your movie?
Yes, actually they've been asking a lot of questions about the prosthetics. Kasi I took photos of myself with all the makeup and prosthetics and all of that. So they're always curious about how it's done, paano ginawa, and everything. Yeah, I'm excited to bring them to the cinemas this Christmas.
Pero in the end, may mga personal experience na kasama ka? Takutan or...
Oo, meron akong may mga ghost stories ako, personal ghost stories. Dati ng mga bata pa kami, we had a place in Baguio. And yun, maraming multo. Maraming multo. Pero gano'n lang, syempre nung growing up days namin, na-experience din namin.
Okay, last question. Sabi mo kanina yung busy sa December Film Fest. Pero like, ano pa mo? Bakit i-share mo magiging ganap mo sa Pasko?
Sorry.
Ano pang magiging ganap mo ngayong December aside from Film Fest? Like, are you going abroad?
Right now, I'm just focused on my schedule for the promo run of this film. It's going to be until Christmas. So let's see after Christmas if I have time to travel or go abroad. Maybe I'll take a few days off, hang out with the kids in the beach or something. But right now, I'm focused on the film. I'm focused on promoting this movie and hopefully ma-inspire natin yung mga tao na isama ang buong pamilya nila sa sinihan ngayong Pasko.
Richard, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tito Bobby.